Info function returns information about the current operating environment. This function has only one argument. In type argument, there is text value is entered. There are 7 types of text values that are supported current version of Microsoft Excel. These values return the information about the current operating environment. In type text box, select this cell reference, click OK. Paste the same formula in other cells. Double click. Release value gives us the information about the current version of Microsoft Excel. So the current version of Microsoft Excel is 16. System value gives us the information about the operating environment. The current operating environment in my computer is Windows. It returns PC-DOS for Windows and Mac for Macintosh. OS version value gives us the information about the current operating system version. Current version of my computer is Windows 32-bit NT 10.00. Directory value gives us the information about the full path name of the current folder. Num file value gives us the information about the number of worksheets in all the open workbooks. Recalc value gives us the information about the recalculation mode. In calculation group, click calculation options arrow button. The selected option is automatic. Info function returns automatic in cell reference D10. Origin value gives us the information about the address of the upper left cell that is visible in the current worksheet. In the current worksheet, the top and upper left cell is visible cell reference A1. Info function returns the position of this cell reference absolute cell reference.